All right, we're gonna open up the floor for questions. Anybody? Somebody? Don't all jump at once. You?
Yes, Bill Wilkins from the Pine Needle.
It's a good show.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And me and everyone else here was wondering, well, there's a rumor floating around that you don't like to practice before the show.
What are we talking about, man? What are we talking about? We talking about practice. Not the show, not the show that I like wear myself out for, right? Not the show that I gave my appendix to the director so the show would keep going. No, not that show. But practice. Not the show, but practice. Come on, what are we talking about here? What are we talking about? Now, I know I'm supposed to be the host and the producer and it's supposed to be important, but come on, we're talking about practice. Come on, I am Carolina News Today, all right? I am WNCP TV. You understand me? I'm on Wikipedia. And you talking about practice. Come on, what are we talking about? We're talking about practice. 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 Come on, man. Come on, man. What we talking about? Practice. We talking about practice. We talking about practice. Practice. I ain't got time for this. Talking about practice. Peace.